the show, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Anita Keys about how beef can be a part of a healthy diet. Anita is back now with a recipe to share. In this segment, Anita shows us how to make a hearty helping of beef and noodles.
I am a fan of noodles, pasta, anything like that. And we're going to pair that with beef, which is also great. Joining me now with more on this is Anita Keys. Anita, what do you have for us?
Okay, so I'm going to give you a healthy meal here with beef and noodles, which is sort of a staple. Grandma likes it. Anybody likes beef and noodles. Can't go wrong with that. And to start with, you're going to just take a big old fry pan, fill it up with, you put the butter in the bottom and an onion, have your onion all chopped up ahead of time. And you kind of saute that onion until it's clear. Then you add your beef, which you've cut up. So you're browning that into the onions over medium heat. Then pour 2 cups of beef broth. The recipe calls for 3 cups. So if you can remember, just put 2 in at a time. You put that into the skillet after your beef has browned. And then you add the seasonings. And the seasonings are a bay leaf. You add dried thyme leaves, salt, and pepper, and that to taste. Then you bring this mixture to a boil. So we've got this liquid in here. We've got the beef broth and all that. Now we reduce the heat and cover it and simmer for 10 to 20 minutes. Stir that once in a while. Watch closely, and that's when you add that more broth if you need it. Then we take the water and cornstarch and stir those together. Okay, and what that is, that's going to be our thickening agent. And allow it to cook another 10 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. And then while it's thickening, cook your noodles. And I want to share with you a little bit about a fun noodle that I learned thanks to Pure Nebraska. And John was out to Mullen, I believe, where they make this. It's sabiatos, and I don't speak whatever language that is, but it's an artisan pasta. And they have all different kinds. This is reginette or something like that. But anyway, so it's got this kind of pasta. You can kind of see what it looks like there. And if you want to learn more about it, she has a website, sabiatos.com. So you can go to that, Sabbiatos. So there's a plug for them. But anyway, and I just use like half of this bag. It's a good size bag. And if your local grocer doesn't have it, you might want to encourage them to get it. Or you can order just direct online. So anyway, you make your pasta according to the directions on the package. So you got that done, you got your meat done. Then you make your serving, serve the beef mixture over the noodles. Good, healthy, warm meal for a day like today. Really good. My husband will love this. Come in and have a hot beef and noodle meal. All kinds of good nutrients in there.
Thank you, Anita. That looks fantastic. And thanks for being here today.